Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're gonna go over to draw Pac-Man from, he's from obviously Pac-Man and all these games, but we're gonna draw the version of him that appears in Super Smash Brothers, the new one. And so we're gonna go over that. It's gonna be real easy. It's geared toward beginners, so I'm gonna try to go through it step by step for you. So hopefully, it'll be easy. Before that though, if you do like this kind of content, click the subscribe. And also click that like button if you do like, cute videos like this. So let's get going. First thing I'm going to use this marker. It's a Faber-Castell PITT Artist Pen Big Brush. It is known as it's basically like a giant Sharpie, except it doesn't have that horrible, nasty, toxic smell. So, all right, let's get started. So Pac-Man, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start the curvature of the front side of his face. That's really important. Pull back. His brow is going to come up. And pull that. Pull that again. The brow is basically the upper side of his eye. And I'm going to try to complete that circle, not totally yet, but as close as I can. So basically a circle shape. I'm going to pull his nose out. And be basically like a stick. His eye has a bit of an intricate thing. I would say it looks like an elongated egg. And then it's kind of obviously both his eyes there. They do have kind of like a shape cut out of them, which I guess represents a highlight. I'm gonna throw a smiley face here. Smiley face down there. Right here, 2 bumps for his mouth. His mouth has kind of kind of like a moon, like a crescent moon, but facing upward. I'm gonna fill that shape in here, which shows a receding. It's kind of going backwards into space. And that is gonna, kind of really push it back since this is black and white. Now I'm gonna draw his boot. He does have boots. I'm just gonna throw a hunch over there, like a hump. Throw another hump. Bottom of his boot here, roundish shape. And I'm gonna throw a line here, showing that there's a change of plane on the other side of his boot. Back boot here. This is going to be his knee, essentially. His leg is kind of pushing forward. Before we do that, I'm going to draw his fist. His hand coming out. I'm going to draw a kind of a shape like that, almost like a diamond. His finger. Lower portion of his glove. And then his hand coming back in. So his legs and his arm right there are both very thin. So just kind of remember that. You can even throw this shape in there. I'm going to throw, again, the other side of his boot. Straight leg right here. Pull a straight line for the top portion of his boot. And then the upper side of his shoe. Now I'm going to throw his hand. He's throwing his hand far back, so he's got this skinny little arm with the glove at the end. And he's also kind of making a fist of that. But you can just kind of draw kind of a block shape at the end. But that's pretty much it. That's Pac-Man from, with legs and arms. There is another version of Pac-Man on my page, but that is just like a cute version of, like, again, the Super Smash Brothers version of Pac-Man. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate the watch. Hopefully that was easy and step-by-step enough for you that you will understand it very easily. If you guys love this kind of stuff, like cute stuff, get that cute drawing ebook. It's an ebook that I created, and it was going to be a product, but instead I put it free. It is essentially, you can take something and draw it cute. So it goes over cute proportions. It goes over, just what kinds of things you need to do to make something look adorable. and I put that in, I believe, a 8-page ebook. It's short, it's quick, it's easy, it's fast, and it's actually made to print out as well. But you can get that for totally free now, because originally it was gonna be a product, but I just made it free. Go get that it's gonna be in the first link in the description box. So go check that out if you have time. And that's pretty much it, guys. I might get rid of it soon, so please get it before I do that. But all right, thank you so much, and I will see you next time.